Somebody come look at this.
Meet the air dryer, the world's first professional-grade, smart, completely cordless hairdryer. Air seamlessly bridges the gap between beauty and technology to bring you revolutionary hair care tech without the cords. No battery in existence was powerful enough to run a cordless hairdryer, so we invented one. Our proprietary lithium silicon air battery performs even better than the premium corded hairdryers on the market, yet uses only a fraction of the electricity. In order to create a truly disruptive hairdryer, we started from the inside out. From the completely redesigned lithium silicon air battery cells, to the brain-like microcontroller, to the smart humidity sensor that automatically adjusts to your specific environment, Air is the first hairdryer that gets better, smarter, and caters more to your lifestyle the more you use it.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Every day, workers around the world put their lives at risk to perform visual inspections in complex environments. Their work demands tools that stand for simplicity, precision, and high reliability to maintain capital-intensive assets. This is Ilias 2, made for indoor inspection. It's the most intuitive, reliable, and precise drone designed for the tough jobs. Imagined by top inspection professionals, brought to life by our engineers, it's built to keep workers out of harm's way, gain efficiency, and drive costs down. Ilias 2 is remarkably intuitive to fly, making anyone feel like a seasoned pilot right from the first flight. Take razor-sharp close-up images in GPS-denied environments, in dark and troubled airflows, beyond line of sight. Follow long and repetitive features, welding or beams. Ilias 2 remains at the right distance autonomously. Fly reliably in confined spaces, go around corners and capture every inch of the most complex asset. Lightning-fast corrections on the propeller's speed and rotation direction keep Ilias 2 stable at any time. When it comes to certified visual inspections, data is what matters. So we've placed Ilias 2's payload in the front cage opening, fitted with a thermal and a 4K camera side by side. 12 megapixel still and video recording gives you stunning detailed images with 0.18 millimeters per pixel resolution to spot the tiniest cracks from floor to ceiling.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
I didn't always have these powers. I used to be a normal guy, living from day to day, just like everybody else. Never knowing when the next mistake would catch me. Then one day, I went online and discovered something that changed my life forever. Mudra Band, they called it, and it already actually worked. I got it, unboxed it, and swapped out my regular Apple Watch band for the Mudra Band. Suddenly, nothing was the same. I gained powers beyond my wildest dreams. All of reality was at my fingertips. And all I had to do was make little gestures. Yeah, life is sweet. This is Mudra Band, the world's first wrist-worn brain-to-device interface. And yes, it already actually works. The Mudra Band connects to your Apple Watch. Using neural technology, it translates your finger movements into everyday control functions on your watch. By capturing subtle finger movements, the Mudra Band lets you touchlessly interact with your watch using just one hand. No needs to pause, look at the display, or engage your other hand. Setting it up is as simple as it gets. Connect your Mudra Band and watch through Bluetooth and start enjoying limitless freedom. We need your help to make the Mudra Band widely available so that everyone could experience what it's like to have superpowers. We hope you'll...
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Could a single bottle make single-use packaging a thing of the past? Sure, why not? If it's super ultra hyper foldable. Introducing the world's first origami bottle. That's not made out of paper. Actually, it's not just a reusable bottle. It's a design technology that opens up a new way of thinking. Imagine a world where packaging never becomes waste. It's simply reusable and collapsible by default. Now imagine yourself taking the first step towards this world. What do you need to do? Just refill and catch your train. Or catch a tan. Go see your favorite bands. Or just go anywhere. And simply find your inner peace while folding it. Okay, but what makes the origami bottle so unique? There's no other collapsible bottle that's as stable when unfolded. Even those two randomly picked adults couldn't smash it. It's also food safe, BPA free. And because we left the creases on the outside, the inside surface is smooth and very easy to clean.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Introducing BedJet, the world's first rapid cooling and heating system just for your bed. With BedJet's patented air-driven technology, you can cool down or warm up on either side of the bed. Whether you like to sleep hot or cold, you can customize BedJet to your preferences. BedJet works instantly, and you can control it from your phone, tablet, or remote control. Luckily, the BedJet's quiet cooling system circulates fresh air between the sheets, instantly wicking away sweat. Just look at BedJet versus a cooling technology mattress. With BedJet, you can go from hot and steamy to cool and fresh in 30 seconds. Or if you get too cold, the BedJet circulates warm air everywhere, making your sheets feel toasty like they just came out of the dryer. In fact, BedJet heats your bed 10 times faster than an electric blanket. And when the BedJet quietly streams air into the patented BedJet cloud sheet, you'll feel like you're literally sleeping in a cloud.